Hey guys, today I will show you how to sell digital products on Squarespace. So, if you want to start selling digital products online but don't know where to begin, in this tutorial we'll show you how to set up and sell digital products on Squarespace. From uploading your files to creating a seamless checkout experience, we'll cover everything you need to know to start your digital storefront. So stick around and learn how to turn your creativity into a source of income with Squarespace. So, let's dive in. First, navigate to squarespace.com, log in using user credentials, and you'll be on this page. If you don't have an account, simply sign up by clicking on the Create Account button at the top of Squarespace website. After logging in, you will see the Squarespace dashboard where you'll have to simply click on the Create Website button at the top, and you'll be navigated to this page where Squarespace will ask you what's your site about. So click on search for your site topic and type in digital and choose popular topics. You can also click on skip here and you'll have to answer what do you want to do with your website. So you can choose whether your digital product is an online course, it is a membership, a blog, showcase, service, product, and much more. Now, after selecting what your product is about, click on next. So I will click on browse templates and I'll be taken over to this page where I can select from all these templates available. Now, I can simply navigate here. Now, I'll have to simply select a website. So, I will select, for example, this one. Now, when I click on this website, it will open up this page where I can see how this website is going to look like on mobile phone and desktop. So, after choosing your design, now you'll have to choose your sample color preset, that is the website's sample colors. So you can choose among any one of these colors available and click on start with this design. Now this will set things up and take you over to this page where it will ask your Squarespace site name. Enter your website name and click on continue. Now click on continue again and click on get started. After this, you can see this will be your website where you will sell your digital products. Now, this is the website and you can easily edit this website by clicking on the edit icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, when you click on edit, it is going to show up your website sections. Now, you can edit all the elements available here. For example, if I would have to edit this section, I will click here and I get the option to click on this pencil icon where I can edit the content, design, image, overlay, lightbox, link, and everything attached to this section. So, a Squarespace website is divided into different sections where I can simply select any section. For example, this is the header. I can click here, click on edit design and choose the link spacing, element spacing, shadow, border, and much more. So you can navigate to your website's section, click that section, click on edit section, edit it anyhow you want and click on the save icon. Now, after finishing editing your website, we'll have to add our digital product. So we'll click on exit, get back to this page. Now I will navigate to products and services section and I will click on the products button. Here I will see all the products available for my website. Now if I want to sell digital products, I will have to simply click on the add product button at the top, not this add physical product. So click on add product button at the top and you will see this page where you can select what do you want to sell, whether your product is physical, is it a service, or a digital file customers can download like ebook, PDF, template, or audio file. You can also add gift card as your product or custom merch as your product. So I will click on the download button here. So I will select download from this because by doing this, you can upload and sell digital products. When I select the option, it will create my product. Here, I will have to enter my product details. So I will add my product name as Pizza NFT. Now I will navigate to description and I can either add or write my description manually or I can click on this Squarespace AI button, click on OK and type in what do I need for the description of my product. So I will type in I have Pizza NFT as my product and I will click on this write button. Now Squarespace AI will write a captivating description for my product. So it's pretty easy to use. Now scroll down, click on add images, select upload file and navigate to your product's images, select it and click on open. Now this will appear as your product image. You can also click on set as thumbnail here. Now in the inventory section, you'll have to enter a price here. Just place your cursor here, type in a price, and as you can see, I just entered a price for my product. Now you can also put your product on sale by toggling this button and entering the sale price. After this, you can scroll down, navigate to organization and create categories to bucket your products like size, color and different variants. So click on this plus icon and you can create categories for your seller product. So I will click on add a category, type in size, click on add. Now I can select size. I will add color. Now as you can see, I just added these two categories. Now I can scroll down and add keywords to connect related products, and these tags will not be shown in my store. I can scroll down and in the selling tools, I can use product add-ons, featured products, related products and product reviews. So I can add all these elements, but I'm skipping this for now. Now I'll click on save button at the top. We'll go back, head over to the inventory and here I'll have to click on upload file and choose a product that I want to sell. So I'll have to basically select the product that is our digital file to upload here. Now I will click on save button and as you can see, it's currently saving my product. Now I will navigate to the download section, click here, select this product, click on three-dotted icon and click on preview. And as you can see, this is my product's preview on my page. Now I will navigate back to products, click on downloads, click on this three-dotted icon, select edit and I will click on the save button and select publish. Now, when I click on publish, I would have successfully published my digital product on the Squarespace website. Now I can easily sell my digital products without any hassle. So that's how you sell digital products on Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.